Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you step by step how to create an Google Ads account completely free. If you are a business owner, freelancer or just getting started with online ads, this video will help you set up your Google Ads account the right way. No confusion, no hassle. Let's get started. So first of all, you just need to visit to the Google Ads account. So here you can see we have this link ads.google.com. Just go over here. Once you go over here, then here the interface will be come up on your page. So this is the interface. So here, as you can see it, this kind of an interface. So here you will find out the overview, then the solutions. In the solution you will find out Google Ads Editor, Google Ads mobile app, conversion tracking, manage the accounts and many more. So I will click, like, once the page loads, click on to the start now button in the right corner. You will find out in the middle also, you will find out, just click one of them. And if you already have Google account, sign in with your email. If not, you will need to create one. It only takes a minute. So I already have an account, that's why it redirect me to here. So here you are allowed to create your first campaign. So you just need to choose campaign setup or switch to expert mode. It's totally depend on you. After signing up, Google will ask you if you want to set up campaign right away. But if you only want to create your account without running ads immediately, click to expert mode. Here you can find out this one, and here you can see this is the one. So I am going to click on switch account, and you can change your email from that place. So let's click this one and then try to find out. Just click this one and remove it and click to sign in up again, and let's try to do it again. New Google Ads account, just click over here. I'm going to give you the process how it works. So here, whenever you will arrive first time, you will get this pop-up where you will find out that a text has that create your first campaign in a few simple steps. You just need to add your business informations, create your ads and set your budget. Don't worry, you can still create campaign later. Expert mode just gives you full control over any account setup. Then you just need to create an account without a campaign. Next you will see an option create an account without a campaign. It sometimes show you, but in new version it is not available. That's why you will get this pop-up, and then you just need to click over here, create your first campaign. And here you can see this is the first campaign. When you will create your first campaign, then it will redirect you to the dashboard panel. So here you just need to provide your address, enter your business name. I'm going to give a name that will be We Are Digital, and then you can add your website URL. Like we have a couple of websites here. Let's search for wix.com and let's copy and link from that place. I think this one will be good, so I will copy this one and then I am going to paste it here and just click to the next, and now eventually it will come to the next panel. So here you can see add more information, save your time. So you can link your YouTube channel, your business profile, or you can add phone number, but it is not mandatory. You can skip it. In the bottom left corner you will find out this skip button. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will come to your campaign page where you can see that what kind of a goal you want. It is a choose your goal for this campaign. To create an effective campaign, focus on the goal that's most valuable to your business. Like you can learn more about the conversation goal. Just click over here, and here you will get the quick help. So here you will find out the goals that you selected will determine what Google Ads will measure and report to you. Your campaigns will also be optimized to achieve these goals by showing your ads to people who are most likely to take the action that meet your goal. Your conversations goal are the type of action that you want people to take that the most meaningful to your business after they have viewed your profile. So you can choose your campaign. We have purchase. People become customer with a purchase on your website. Then we have submit lead form. It means people fill out a form on your website that will follow up on as a lead. Then we have phone calls leads. It means people call your business directly. Then we have page view. You directly people to a page either on your website or elsewhere that shows their interest in your business. Then have the brand awareness. Then we have the see more, you can see it. So I am going to click on page views, and this is our website. Enter the URL. You just need to provide your URL, then click to the next. And once you click over here to the next, it will redirect you. So there is a problem, so I just need to copy whole thing, and then I need to paste it here. Wix.com, then copy this one and then paste it here. Now I'm going to click to the next, and it will be add a URL that different from the landing page or your ads. Enter your page. So I'm going to click this one. Okay, there is an issue. I think I just need to click on here. Okay, we select and wrong my site 5. Yeah, this one will be cool. So I'm going to copy this one, and let's try it out. To the next, and now I hope it will be work. As you can see, it really works, that it redirects us to here. So here you can see ad search theme. So different who see your ads. Like here, choose campaign. Here we have couple of options like performance, mix, search, and many more. You can skip it if it is you feel it is not necessary. Just find it out, search it for you. Choose a campaign type, search. It would be visible onto the search panel or video. When anyone like reach viewers on YouTube that get conversation, when anyone watching video, they will get to show your ads. There is the options to display these customers across 3 million sites and apps with engaging creative. Then you have couple of other things, demand gen, then app, any more. So I will select this one, performance mix. This is suggested by Google, that's why I choose this one. Then click to the next, and now eventually we will land it here. So define who should your ads will be shown. So here you can first give such themes like anything. Like I'm going to give in such theme based website developer. This will be the search theme. Whenever someone search this one, they will get to show my page. Then click to the next, and then eventually you will get this creative ads. So you just need to add an image over that place. What makes your product service good, you can provide it here. Then click to the generate asset, or you can click to the skip, and here they are asking you to provide their headline. Let's give a headline that will be best website developer. Then you can add a long headline. It could be anything. Best WordPress developer from Bangladesh, and here you can see. Then you can add description also, like demo. Then you can add image over that place. Let's add this one, and this button will be arrive when it will be completely done. Then actually you can see it. Just click to the save and click to the next, and it already been done. It will, like, there is a couple of things we are getting, that is review your assets. So that does not meet editorial guidelines. So what kind of a guidelines they want? Just view details. Click to the view details, and here we just need to fix a couple of issues. So let's go developer, website developer for Wix, WordPress. Okay, they are telling us to shorten the headline. Then okay, then WordPress, Wix, Shopify, and let's click to the next, and let's find it out what is the problem. That does not mean editorial guidelines. See more detail, additional regards. Okay, there is a problem. So are you looking for developer? Let's click to the next. Okay, capitalization, that is the problem. text all in capitalized word. That is the problem. So let's make it, are you looking for developer, and then click to the next. And let's see, you can see that our problem has been solved. So here we have another problem. We just need to be remove this one, then make it Wix Shopify, then click. This does not meet editorial guidelines. Okay, let's see. So you just need to be explore it and then find out what is the problem. Similarly, we have this problem, best WordPress developer in Bangladesh, and then click to the next. And actually you can see it will be work perfectly right now. There is another issue that, let's find it out. At least 3 headlines are required. Okay, offer running right now, and there is at least 2 description are required. Okay, that's great, that's great. Subscribe our YouTube channel, and let's click to the next. I hope now all the things has been done. Now they are telling us to set the conversation. Click to the conversation and it will redirect us to the budget page, and you are allowed to set your budget. I'm going to work with this one. Just click to the next, and they are telling us to enter payment details. Once you provide your payment details, now you will publish your first campaign on Google, and they will give you the access of your dashboard. Now you can see or analyze your ads precisely and find it out where you just need to be work on. So I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.